The table below gives the number of hours spent watching TV last week by a sample of 24 children. Find the minimum, maximum, range, mean, and standard deviation of the following data using Excel, a calculator, or other technology. The minimum, maximum, and range should be entered as exact values. Round the mean and standard deviation to 2 decimal places. Alright, so we're going to use the TI calculator in this case. And what we need to do to get all of these calculated values is to first enter the data into a list in the calculator. So if we press Stat and Edit, then that'll take us into the list editor. So then at that point, we'll take each of our data items and plug them into the calculator. So it might take a moment here because there's quite a few values, but you just enter them one by one, similar to how you would do if we were working a spreadsheet. I'm going to pause the video and enter them to save time. Okay, they're all in now, and now we're going to do the calculation. So all of these will come from one specific output, and that's a function called Var Stats. So if I hit the Stat key at this point and come over to the Calc menu, there's some different calculations I can do on data in lists. First is Var Stats, and that's what I want. I want to do single variable statistics here. Now, if you have a menu that's shown up here, that's great, just follow along with me. If not, then that's okay too. You should see the word Var Stats, and the first thing that you need to tell it is the list of where your data is located. So just hit second and 1, and that'll tell it that your data is in L1. And then frequency list, we're not using anything, so if you happen to have anything in this, hit clear and get rid of that. Otherwise, just press enter to calculate. And now we've got all of our values here. We'll begin with the minimum. We do have to scroll down a bit to see that. So the minimum in this case is 11. And we could have gotten that just by scanning through the data, but having the calculator come up with it is just fine as well. The maximum is 99. And then the range is the difference between those two numbers. So 99 minus 11 is going to be 88. The mean, we have to scroll back up to get the mean. The mean is represented with X bar. And it says to use 2 decimals, so I'll put it as 54.17. Now the standard deviation, we do need to know if we want a sample standard deviation or a population standard deviation. So go back through the question and see if there's an indicator. So the table below gives the number of hours spent watching TV last week by a sample of 24 children. All right, so that means we want the sample standard deviation, which is SX in the calculator. So 22.40 is what we'll use.